In this video, we're going to use the Input Data tool to read data in from Excel. Now, you've already seen how the Input Data tool works before, but since loading data in from Excel is probably one of the most common use cases you're going to have, I thought it was worth bringing special attention to. So, just like when using it any other time, we're going to take the Input Data tool from either the Favorites menu or the In and Out menu, drag it down, and then we're going to select that we want a file. This file for Chapter 2 happens to be in the Metals directory for the file All Metals. When we click Open on this, another screen will pop up that will ask for more information about the Excel file. The sheet name that we want is going to be the Athletes sheet. You'll notice up top that they have stored procedures in SQL Editor. That's just an artifact of how Alteryx handles reading in data. You are not going to want to use those for Excel sheets, but if you're importing data from SQL or another database source, you might need to use some of those. But with Athlete, the name of the sheet we're interested in selected, we'll go down and click OK. We have a preview down here just like we would if we were importing from a more normal format like a CSV or a text file. And we can always go ahead and click Browse to double check and make sure everything works how we think it does. And once we do, we see that it looks normal.